Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Nuh Quran Learning Center. Inshallah, today we start the Arabic Qaida, inshallah. So before start the lesson number 1 from the Arabic Qaida, we need to understand some things. So we know that every language has a letters, so same like in the Arabic alphabets. So these are the Arabic alphabets. So before starting this lesson, we need to understand some things. So let's start this. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Few things we need to understand before starting the lesson number 1. In the Arabic alphabets, how many letters are there? If you say 28, you are right. If you say 29, you are right. Why 28 or 29? The reason is in the Arabic alphabet there are 29 letters total. 29 letters total. But the sounds letters are only 28. You know, the 29 letters has total, but the 28 letters has sound, and the one letter does not has any sound. It's used for stretch purposes, which is alif. So only 28 letters total, but the sounds letters are only 28. So again, total letters are 29, but the sounds letter are only 28, and the one letter does not has any sound, only used for stretch purposes, which is alif. So first thing you need to understand this, and the second one, in the Arabic alphabet there are heavy sounds and light sounds. What are heavy sounds and light sound? Then we start the lesson number 1, inshallah, then you understand better. So heavy sounds means the sounds remains in the mouth, and mouth is full of sound, which means in the Arabic alphabet some letters are read heavy and some letters are read light. For the sake of example, this is awesome. Correct word is awesome, like not like awesome, right? And the light sounds comes out of the mouth, like cat, bat, we not like say that, caught, what, right? So again, in the Arabic alphabet there are 29 letters total, but 28 letter has sound, and the one letter has no sound, only used for straight purposes, that is alif. And the second thing you need to understand, in the Arabic alphabet there are, so number 1, inshallah. So these are the Arabic alphabets. So let's see this one by one. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. So again there is an instruction here. From amongst these 29 letters, there are 7 letters are pronounced with a thicker voice. Again, I told you before, in the Arabic alphabet there are 29 letters total, but 28 letter has sound, and some of them are read heavy. So let's start the lesson number 1. So the first letter is, it's look like this. So this is alif. Alif. Okay, so this is the actual shape of alif, like the black one, not this one. It is the sound name. Actual shape is this, alif. Then this one, it's look like this, and it has one dot on the bottom. This one, ba, ba. So remember, I told you before, in the Arabic alphabet there are 29 letters total. 28 letter has sound, and the one letter does not has any sound, only used for strike purposes, which is alif. So this is why I'm here stretching ba, taking the help of alif. Okay, so alif is used for stretch purposes. So this one is ba, and the third one is, it's look like ba, right? But there is two dots on it, and remember that dots make them different. Dots are very significant. So this one is ta. Again, alif, ba, ta. And third one is, it's look like tha and ba. So this has 3 dots on the top. This one is tha, tha, tha. Look at here, sa, ta, ba look like same, but which thing make them different? The dots. Ba has 1 dot on the bottom, ta has 2 dots on the top, and tha has 3 dots on the top. So dots are very significant. Alif, ba, ta, tha. and this one is Jim, 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 and this one Ha, Ha. Again, this one and this one look like same, but lots make them different. Ha, Ha, and this one look like Ha and Jim, but there is one dot on it. So this one is Ho, 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 Ho. I told you before, in the Arabic alphabet there are heavy letters and light letters. So heavy letters sounds remains in the mouth, right? So look at here, ho. So this is heavy letter. Remember that in the Arabic alphabet there are 7 letters are read heavy: kha, swa, da, ta, zwa, ghain, kaf. So basically these 7 letters are read heavy. I told you before there are 29 letters total, but some of them are read heavy in the Quran. So kha is one of them. Kha, kha, kha. This one dal, dal. This one dal, dal. This one ra, ra. Alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, ho, dal, dal, ra. So this is the lesson for today. So inshallah in the next class we're gonna see the next remaining letters.